Everybody likes s'mores when they go camping. And we got tired of just having the same old marshmallow s'mores every time. So what we thought we would do is go out and see if we could find a way to spice it up a bit. And we've managed to find 3 new types of flavored marshmallows. And today we're going to be testing them, just to see which one I like the best. We've got Sour Patch Kids flavored marshmallows. That ought to be pretty interesting. Lucky Charms, maybe for those breakfast s'mores. I don't know, we'll have to see. And Swedish Fish flavored marshmallows. Now that is fascinating. And I wonder if that'll make me want to go have seafood for the night after. I don't know. Okay, let's start with the Lucky Charms first. I'm gonna get my torch here, and we're going to add a little bit of burn to our Lucky Charms. A little Luck o' the Irish today. Give it a little bit of a toast. All right, let's just take a bite. I'm going to put our graham cracker on top. Smush it down a little bit. That's the way you do it. And we're going to take a quick bite. Okay, now marshmallow definitely tastes like marshmallow. And it's very sweet, very sugary. It really doesn't take too much different from a normal marshmallow, to be quite honest. Okay, well, I think I can taste a little bit of extra sweet sugary flavor there. I want to put that one back down. Let's move on then to the Sour Patch Kids. Now, Sour Patch Kids are really sour, so I'm hoping that one really punches me in the face. Go ahead and light these up. Give these a little bit of toast. It's kind of cool that they can make marshmallows with flavor like this. This one is a little bit slower to burn. It's interesting, the Lucky Charms really took off. These are kind of boiling. It's interesting. All right. We actually burnt the cracker as much as we burnt the marshmallows. I'm not sure what that means chemically. Okay. Oh, it's really hot. We gotta give it a second. I'll burn myself. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! It's sour. Oh, that's pretty good though. Yeah, that's very different. That's very different from a normal marshmallow taste. Really kind of hits you in the face. Awesome. Okay, moving on. Let's do number 3. This one I've been looking forward to. Swedish Fish marshmallows. I haven't had Swedish Fish since I was a kid. It's been a long time. Let's heat them up. See what happens. Okay, this one's also not burning too quickly. Lots of sugar on these. Lots of other stuff. All right, kind of changes the thermal dynamics of the marshmallow melting situation. All right, here we go. I do that every time. That's a hot cracker. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. There's almost a cinnamony flavor in there in the background. It goes really well with the graham cracker and the marshmallow. It's not as in your face as the Sour Patch Kids marshmallow. Very good. Very good. Okay, so wrap this up. Don't want your classic marshmallow anymore. 3 new choices: Lucky Charms, Sour Patch Kids, Swedish Fish. I gotta say, I was kind of excited about the Sour Patch Kids. I'm gonna say that one's my winner, just because it's so different yet yummy. Swedish Fish, probably my number 2. That's different a little bit too, not quite as in your face. And the Lucky Charms is okay, but it really just tastes like a classic marshmallow with a colored marshmallow. So, you know, it looks different on the plate, but doesn't taste too different in your mouth.